Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm the creator of Patient Better. Patient Better is an educational program that teaches everyday people how to become amazing health advocates by learning how to self-manage care. Patient Better offers a revolutionary system that has now become an essential tool for patients with chronic conditions and their families to learn how to manage care for both in-person and virtual medical office visits as a team. Our program's success lies on the injection of meaningful learning, which is a concept where people take already learned information and then apply it to new. Indeed, people now need self-management education so that they can quickly and continuously adapt to healthcare's ever-evolving ideas, concepts, and processes. Ultimately, we bring everyday people up to speed on today's healthcare clinic and allow that value-based practice to have an activity-driven appointment with their patients every time. Thanks for watching.